Now I already have this patched binary that I patched few minutes ago, and I will show you what I changed into this. Now if you see, when I run this patched binary, and if I put fit geek, which was the right password before patching, it will show wrong. So my name is Lucas, so I have altered the input string so that this binary will accept Lucas as the right password. Just to show you, I have entered Lucas as the right password, and if I check, it is showing right. Okay, so let's see how I did it. Similar to the previous thing, I will directly jump on to the strings view and go into this control flow graph. Okay, now the first thing is the Lucas name has 5 characters. Earlier the binary was checking for 8 only. So what I did was I altered the comparison instruction. Now just to show you how I did this, if you click on this instruction, go to edit, patch program, and assemble. Here previously it was 8, I changed it to 5 and simply click OK. Okay, that's how I changed this comparison instruction. Now instead of checking for 8 characters, it will only check for 5 characters. Then if the input string is of 5 characters, then it will go on to this code block. Now I have not made any change into this hard-coded 8 characters string, but I have made a small change in this long hard-coded string and some change in this subroutine. So let's first understand what I did with this subroutine call. Okay, over here if you see previously it was adding 42 to the ESI register. Now I have changed it to 35. Now why I have changed it to 35 index is because in the hard-coded strings window at 35th character we have this capital L, which is the starting of Lucas. So now instead of capital F, capital L will go in this AL register, and then this AL register will be moved on to EDI. So now the EDI register 0th index will be containing capital L. Next, uh, what I did over here is I have not changed the instruction. The reason why, one approach is what I would have done is I would have add ESI plus some index in order to move small u into this AL. But since the size of the bytes for this instruction is fixed, and if I add any more indexing to this particular instruction, it will change the overall instruction size, and then the alignment of the next few instructions will be damaged. So instead of modifying this instruction, what I did is I altered the hard-coded string and kept small u at the 0th index of the string. So here if you see previously it was capital I, now we have this small u. Okay, so now this small u will be moved to this AL register, and then this AL register will be moved to the first index of the EDI register. So now our EDI register will be having capital L and small u. Okay, next, here previously some other indexing was there. Now I have similarly altered the next character in this hard-coded string, which is I have kept a small k, and then I have add this character to the ESI string and then moved it into AL register. So now LUK will be present in the EDI register. Similarly, for next few instructions, I have directly changed the indexing of these to match the Lucas string. So if you see now at the 24th string, we have a small a, okay, and similarly at the 6th string we have a small s, okay, and now Lucas is completed from these instructions. Now all these instructions are I have left as it is because these are now garbage value for us, and at the end I have changed the return length to 5 instead of 8. Now what will happen is over here also I have changed 8 to 5 now, because now my input string is of 5 characters. Now what will happen, instead of running the loop to 8 time, it will only run it for 5 times inside this subroutine, and we will get the correct output.